Yeah. But just because you're different doesn't mean that you'll never make a difference. Oh, as long as you're with good friends, you can save the world. Cause we got the power that we never knew we had.
What's up, Zucchini? It's Zane, and welcome to Zane's Kitchen. This week is all about vegetables. Today's video we're going to be featuring zucchini. We'll be making 2 cool zucchini recipes. The first recipe, let's get into the ingredients. You'll need zucchini, of course, marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, mamma mia, olive oil, Daiya Mozzarella, optional pepperoni. Then we have some parsley. You want to oil your pan like so, any oil you like. I've already cut up the zucchini circles. Now I'm gonna place them on the pan as such. Going to dab a little oil on my zucchini. Here I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning, ciabella. Now I'm gonna add my marinara. Mozzarella, got my mozzarella. Now I'm gonna sprinkle mozzarella. If you like, you can use pepperoni. I'm adding pepperoni at half of this batch. And this is what it looked like before we put it in the oven. Now we're gonna put it in 375 for about 10 minutes. Good, yum, yum. While we wait, let's go over Zane's 2 kitchen rules. Rule 1, always read the ingredients. Rule 2, wash your hands. Rule 3, have fun. Voila, voila. You can only smell this. I can't wait to eat it. Add some parsley for aesthetics. Next, we're going to move on to zucchini fries. I added a little extra ingredients. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. Let's get started, shall we? Here's what you need for the next recipe. Zucchini fries. Here we have nutritional yeast, garlic salt, and Panko breadcrumbs, white rice flour. Cut my zucchini in a fry shape. No one's looking, I'll sneak me a bite. Yummy. And paprika. Now we're gonna oil the pan. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients in a bowl. First, 1/4 cup of garlic salt. Next, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Next, we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of rice flour. Next, we'll add our breadcrumbs. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some paprika. When that's done, you're gonna mix all your dry ingredients together. Now I'm gonna take my zucchini and splash it in the non-dairy milk. Now I'm gonna place my zucchini into the bread mix. I'm gonna make sure it's coated really good. Be afraid to really get in there. You'll repeat this step until you're done. They should look like this when you finish. Now they're ready to be placed in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. While we wait, let's do a two-game shout-out. Today's two-game shout-out is to Absolute Manny 101. Thank you for calling Absolute Maddie 101. Here's your final product of your zucchini fries. Well, that's all for this recipe. If you liked it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you later too, gang.